as well, so we love that. I had oh, it's like right in front of me. Another Pravana product is the Nevo Intense Therapy Leave-In Treatment. I love this. It smells so dank. It reminds me of something I used to use when I was in high school, so it takes me back to like a really interesting time in my life, but also like happy time. It just reminds me of summer. It's like a very clean, like fruity scent. This works really well. I used it today to just kind of like detangle my ponytail because I'm on like third day hair. But yeah, I really like this. Pravana products are great, so don't sleep on baby hairs, on Pravana hair care. Moving right along. Next thing up is going to be my Osea Hyaluronic C Serum. You guys know I'm obsessed with Osea. Hardcore stan. I will continue to stan them for years and years and years to come. I've also turned my parents onto them. Both of my parents use their body and skincare products. They're also women owned and are run by incredible women that I have become friends with, and I love them so dearly. They have supported me before I had a massive following, and the products are just really, really incredible, and honestly, they just speak for themselves. So go into their spa in Venice, talk to them, get educated on the products, and enjoy, because they're just really amazing. And they're doing a lot for ocean conservation as well. Everything's like nice. This is ASMR. Really great products. They're all in glass containers. So this is the hyaluronic serum from their line. I will do like a full video kind of educating you guys on ingredients and go a little more in depth, but hyaluronic acid, basically what it does is it binds water from the air to the cells of your skin, therefore hydrating and plumping from the deeper dermal layers of the skin, versus just like a surface hydration that like maybe just like a normal moisturizer would give you, or like an oil. Because moisturizers and humectants and hydrators are all different, and again, I'll like go through a full video of this. But this basically penetrates, and this I also think has 3 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, so it goes really deep into the dermis and hydrates all the layers, not all the layers, but the more important layers of the skin, leaving your skin really plump and glowy and dewy and hydrated. But what's great is this is not going to break you out. There's nothing in here, there's no like oil or any ingredients that are going to break you out. So if you are worried about being dehydrated, or if you've been looking for something to hydrate your acneogenic or really sensitive skin, I highly recommend this, or looking into a product with hyaluronic acid. So love this. Okay, moving right along. We are almost done, you guys. We're almost done. Next thing is going to be, and then I have like 2 more and then I'm done, the Vital Proteins supplements. So this has like a sticker on it. I'm such a messy bitch, you guys. The supplements from Vital Proteins, these are the spirulina and the beef liver. So I'm going to talk more. Spirulina is great for detoxifying the body. I love spirulina, but I really want to focus on the beef liver. So for a lot of you guys, this is like a very weird thing to be supplementing, but if you guys remember, I referenced an Organic Olivia video the other day, her acne video, which is so informative. She is just like, I could cry talking about her because she's just such an amazing human being. And she helped me when I was really, really sick. And she was like one of my resources when I was really ill and needed help, and was so kind to me and so informative to me. And I like buy her products and stand her so hard. But my point is that she talks about vitamin K and retinol in regards to supplementing with food and nutritional supplements, and how incredibly helpful that is for people suffering with acne. And there's like a lot of clinical studies and things of that nature. And basically, Accutane is a synthetic form of vitamin A. So it's really important to get vitamin A if you have really bad acne. So that can be extremely helpful for those of you who are like me, who struggle with cystic acne and are looking for a solution. And it's like crazy because there's really not a lot of talk about vitamin A for acne. So even though Accutane is literally a synthetic high dose form of vitamin A. So she talks about getting it supplement form, getting it through beef liver. It's really hard to find beef liver in California. I've been looking everywhere and like haven't been able to find it. So I have the beef liver capsules from Vital Proteins, and these are amazing for a million things. hair growth, skin, immuneness. So it's like if you get sick a lot, these are great for you. But yeah, you can read more about the benefits of beef liver or these kind of supplements on the interweb. Again, I'll get like a longer video of that. I just feel like I'm ranting at this point. Okay, last couple things. So I wanted to do some jewelry stuff, and then I'll get into the shit that I didn't like. This is from Joy Tavraki. I feel really bad because I like cannot pronounce her last name, but she is a gem. I've been wearing this crosses from her as well, and I've been obsessed with her jewelry line. I love like gold dainty like jewelry, as you guys know. I had this cross custom made for me a long time ago by CT Designs, but I really like to incorporate other necklaces along with it. And this is like a really cute like chain choker from her. Everything from her line is like so nice. Very reasonable, really beautiful. I love like all the designs, and they're super gorgeous, so I want to feature this. And then also I wanted to talk about my OG jewelry favorite, Lily Clasp. These are her, I think her biggest hoop earrings. I'm obsessed with these. I like lost the backing, so I need to get new backings. That's why I haven't been wearing them. But I love a classic gold hoop. I've been wearing hoops for a really, really long time. And as you guys know, I have like little hoops in all of my holes. That sounds really weird. But yeah, so I love hoops and I love gold, and I also have a lot of body chains and jewelry from her line. I need to get some more, actually. I need to put in a new order. I lost a couple of my pieces while traveling. I'm like really depressed about it. We'll get into that later. But yeah, obsessed with these, obsessed with her. Again, like I'm all about supporting women-owned businesses, and she is really incredible, really, really kind-hearted, and she also features a lot of plus-size women in all of her campaigns, which is huge because not a lot of jewelry brands feature plus-size women. So, love and stan these. I think that may be it. Another thing that I've been obsessing over, and this is like my last thing, I think. Actually, maybe two more things, and then we're done. Cell Food. I take this every day, and it basically oxygenates the blood. I'll like read what it says. A proprietary formulation of super energized mineral concentrate. It naturally provides the highest levels of oxygen and hydrogen to the body, helping support overall improved energy and endurance and natural health. I have been taking a lot of like trace minerals because it helps hydrate the body, and a lot of times the water that we're drinking flows right through us versus actually hydrating our cells. So I've been adding this to my water, as well as chlorophyll. I've always been a huge chlorophyll person. So yeah, I've been loving this. It's like pretty cheap on Amazon if you want to try it. Again, like any supplements, make sure you're consulting your doctor before taking anything. Like don't just take Instagram and be like, I need this. Like definitely talk to your doctor. I know I always encourage you guys to research products, especially like if I'm promoting them, I highly recommend you research them, because I feel good about telling you guys that because I know that I have, but a lot of times Instagram people are not like experts, and even I'm not, and a lot of times they're not researching the products they're promoting. So please do your research for your own safety. I love you guys and I care about you genuinely, and I don't want you guys to buy something that's going to end up hurting you in the long run. Okay. Okay. So last two things that I'm going to go over, and then like I'm done with products that I've enjoyed this month. Primal Pit Paste. This is what I use as deodorant. I moved to natural deodorant about maybe like a year and a half, like 2 years ago. I use the charcoal magnesium one because the baking soda does irritate my armpits. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this, and it's very like detoxifying, and it actually like works because I work out a lot, and this like works. Okay, just saying. And then my last thing is the EO organic hand sanitizer. This is the lavender one. I like bring this with me everywhere. I sanitize everything with this. I'm a little bit of a germaphobe. I always say like I'm messy, but I'm like really clean, very hygienic. I'm just like really weird about hygiene and smelling good, and I am that bitch, okay? Period. Okay. Oh, you know what? Actually, one last thing. Last thing are my nails from my baby over at Strong Magic Nails, Lily Strong. I have like little cupids on them. I'm desperately in need for a fill, and I got like dye on this one. But yeah, these are like almost a month out, and she is the best nail artist in LA in my opinion, and she does all Japanese hard gel, and these have like lasted for me so well. I haven't had one rhinestone fall off, not one nail fall off or crack. she's like worth the money to pay for a good person, you guys. But yeah, these are like another monthly favorite. I'm about to get them changed soon, but they look mad good. Okay. Product that I did not love. I actually have a whole bin of shit that I don't like that I should probably do like a full video for you guys, because you guys were really interested in me reviewing popular or products that are being talked about a lot, and like if I actually like them, because you guys know I'm gonna keep it real, okay? But this is the Tula Probiotic Skincare. I'm not just talking about this cleanser, I'm talking about the whole line. I really wanted to like these because I liked, it was formulated by a dermatologist, supposedly. And I like the idea of like a probiotic product, because obviously like a probiotic is great for your skin, your gut. The balance of bacteria on your skin and in your gut is really important to skin health. And so in theory, I was like, this is great. And a lot of the products that I use from Sonia have probiotics in them. And the ingredients in this were just like not good. The first couple ingredients were betaine, sorbitan laurate, a sulfate, glycerin, lactose, milk protein, just a lot of random stuff. And it also has vegetable oil, like really weird, blah, 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 blah. But also my biggest issue was the fact that fragrance is fairly high up and lanolin is fairly high up. And a lot of times people can be sensitive to lanolin. Like I use lip products with lanolin and it's fine, but like all over the face, like it can be pretty comedogenic, and it just really irritated my skin. So maybe this works for you and that's like amazing, and like cheers to you. But yeah, I was overall like disappointed, and I just like, there are certain products that I'm okay with using that have fragrance, but fragrance, here's my issue with fragrance, is that fragrance is an umbrella. The FDA does not require you to disclose what is under fragrance. So you could say fragrance and have lead in the product. Like that's an extreme example, but fragrance could really be anything. And I personally like to use fragrance-free products. There are definitely exceptions, like in even some stuff that I talked about earlier today. I don't know. I just really didn't like this. And if you like it, tell me. I want to know your thoughts. I was just mad disappointed. And I had high hopes. And it wasn't it. It wasn't it. So, I don't know. Like even all the Sonia Dakar products that I use, they have fragrance in them, but they're all essential oil based. And I'm also, like I talked to the owners about it because obviously I want to know before I promote a product, and they explained to me that it's all essential oil, and it even says on the bottle it's all essential oil based, and there's no artificial fragrance. I don't know. I was mad disappointed in this, and that's like a wrap. I think that's all I have to say, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this talk in front of my Vital Proteins fridge and my tea maker and my snow cone maker in the back. I love you guys, and it makes me happy to film videos and get to kind of connect with you face to face a little bit. So I hope you guys love this, and if you want to see more of these, or if you guys have any like requests for products for me to talk about or like review, whatever. Again, like I am not a beauty guru, but I do have a really long history of being in the industry and getting a lot of products used on me, using a lot of products, and for the past 4 years, like getting products sent to me and testing out. And you guys know I'm big on researching ingredients and understanding how everything works and the molecular structure and why things work and why things don't work. And I want to be able to provide as much educational knowledge and help to you guys as I can, because that's kind of why I'm here. I feel like that is like the really cool power of social media, is to use your platform for good, whether it's standing up for social issues or educating somehow, and it's not just all about pretty photos. So I love you guys, and I hope that you've had a beautiful, beautiful Sunday, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.